Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Allakos Inc, ticker symbol ALLK. Now we have seen 100-time increase in the volume. The average 3-month volume is 1.3 million and the last traded volume is more than 100 million. So there is something big which is going on and people are literally, if you are looking at the numbers, they are dumping the shares, or instead some of them are buying. So this is just a way to think, but let's see what's happening over here. And if you're looking at the volatility, it itself doubled from 7.84, which is the monthly volatility, and if you are looking at the week's volatility, it is 14.27. So there is a huge increase. Volatility almost doubled, and last week performance was quite dismal, and from the highs it has already destroyed everything, minus 93%. And then the target price we have here is $143, so it does not make any sense. And that's what I'm saying, fundamentals, this is based on fundamentals, but if you're looking at the current price, then you get to know what are the research report and what are the price we have on the screen. And that's why I believe more on what I can see. It's not only the numbers or what somebody else is saying. You have your own sense or your own judgment call on everything, and more specifically if you're in the stock market. Now there is no point talking about valuation, because with this kind of fall you can expect this was one more than $1 billion company, and the market capitalization crashed by more than 50, 60 or 70%, who knows. And and if you're looking at this profitability ratios or margins or EPS, both are, everything is negative. But compare the price action with other companies where you have the similar setup as far as the numbers are concerned, but price are saying something else. So this is just how the market has positioned. And above all, you are in December, where the volume are anyhow less, and if somebody put a basket sell order with million and millions of shares, this is the condition what we have here. We are going to analyze in chart. You will get a clear picture over there, and that's where I will also explain you how a technical guy can have an upper hand as when the price is declining, or more so over when the price is rising, right? Apart from this, you can see, you have multiple downgrades on one particular day. So you have seen 5 downgrades. This is something serious. This downgrade by BOFS Securities from buy to underperform. You cannot, give a target price of 155, and from there you can just simply say that the downgrade, we are downgrading this, and now this is up to you guys. From 155 to $12. This is something very serious. This is serious price damage. And when we have Cowen, we have Jeffries, we have SVV, we have William Blair, everybody downgraded this stock on 22nd of December, and we have seen the impact. Well, obviously there are big selling that has happened in this particular stock, and the insider trading, most of them are exercising the options and selling it, nothing else. And this has been done in the last 1 year by the director, CEO, CFO, everybody, CMO, everybody is selling the shares. When when the top management of the company don't want to hold a stake, why should you look at this stock when the management itself is not believing? Anyways, let's see why the stock is crashing today. That's a good way to look at it. Now, what's happened? The huge decline came after the company announced results from its Phase 3 Enigma 2 and its Phase 2 by 3 cryptos clinical studies evaluating uh, so lirentelimab. So this is what we have as far as the reason is concerned. Now, with this reason, where the clinical one or two clinical studies failed and stock got punished, and it punished really hard, and who is going to suffer for that? Probably those who don't know about what's going to happen in the market and keep on holding the stock. Let's quickly go to the chart. This is the chart we have here, and you can see there is a slide about buying that has emerged after the low that the stock has made at 8.545. Now, if you are a technical guy, you can simply see this thing. Okay, let me show you. This is just an example. Okay, I'm not pinpointing or not saying something to anybody, but this is where you get the advantage. Price is the ultimate factor. Everybody, somebody talks about technicals, fundamentals. I talk about price because this is what everybody is looking for. This is what everybody is debating with each. I debate with you, you debate with me. So, for what? The answer for that is price. And if you do not believe in the price, what you can see on the screen, then it would be a problem. So if you are a technical person, you would have sold this stock below 86, right? Below 86, this was a trend, a breakdown, and you would have sold this stock. But you can see the kind of shorting that has happened, and there is no way we can't believe, because the huge volume has indicating the same. And if you try to draw something out of it, this is what we have. So if you try to draw something out of it, this is what we have. Now 8.49 will be a stop loss. Don't go below this level. This is what I can say, and this is where the price strikes, and don't go below this level. What we can expect over here is primarily a bounce back, if there is a bounce back. If there is a bounce back, because thrashing a stock on clinical result failure is not a new thing. If you are looking at various stocks in biotech sector of the companies, but it damaged the entire work, for last couple of years in terms of price action. So on the upside, you can see $29 and $32. This is what we have right now. Let's see how the price will perform, and then we are going to discuss about it, because this is a big trend breakdown that has happened, and stock has, with one single move, the entire trend has destroyed over here. Okay, but don't go below 8.45, and don't try to, because everything is down by 90%, don't try to jump into it without knowing the pros and cons. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.